Hello everyone. Today we are focusing on how to sort data in Excel, a powerful feature for organizing your data efficiently. Our dataset includes a name column, age column, and salary column. To sort the data by any column, simply click on the header of the column you are interested in. For example, if you want to sort by name, click on the header of the name column. So this is the header. Go to the data tab. Here in sort and filter group, you will find the sort A to Z and sort Z to A option. Choose sort A to Z to sort the names alphabetically or sort Z to A for reverse alphabetical order. So I am selecting here A to Z. You can see my data is arranged alphabetically. Now to perform a custom sort, such as sorting by age or salary, click on the sort button in the data tab. This opens the sort dialog box where you can specify your sorting criteria. For instance, to sort by age, select age in the sort by dropdown and then choose whether you want to sort from oldest to youngest or vice versa. So here I am going from smallest to largest. You can see the data is arranged from age smallest to largest. Sorting in Excel is not limited to one criteria. You can sort by multiple columns by adding levels in the sort dialog box, allowing for more advanced data organization.